and today we are going to discuss about the fight against coronavirus in our country. First of all, I would like to give you a brief knowledge on the coronavirus pandemic. Coronavirus is already announced as the pandemic for the world. It was first found in Wuhan state of China. Gradually, it spreaded all over the world, and many countries like United States of America, United Kingdom, France, Italy, Germany, and many other countries, almost each and every country of this world has gone through the coronavirus pandemic. And still now, there is no solution to this coronavirus. As we know, the vaccine is still not available, so it is quite difficult to fight against this pandemic. But in comparison to other countries, our country, India, has fighted a lot and has got some positive outcomes of this fight. Thanks to the government, central government and the state governments, who have fought a lot for this coronavirus pandemic. The main credit goes to our Prime Minister. He has taken correct decisions at right times so that we can slow the rate of spreading of coronavirus. First, we need to know how this virus spreads from one person to another person. This virus can be transmitted from one person to another person from a hand touch or from the droplets which comes out from your nose or your mouth while coughing or sneezing. This was all about the coronavirus. India has some positive outcomes while fighting against this virus. As we compare other countries and our country, India has effectively progressed in fighting this virus. Our country has got many positive outcomes from this, and thanks to all the governments, state governments who are cooperating very much to each and everyone so that we can defeat this virus as soon as possible. As we know, there is no vaccine till now available in the market. Thus, the only way to save us or to defeat this virus is social distancing. This is the only weapon that we have now to defeat this virus. So, it is very much necessary that we maintain social. There is no vaccine till now available in the market. Thus, the only way to save us or to defeat this virus is social distancing. This is the only weapon that we have now to defeat this virus. So, it is very much necessary that we maintain social distancing in each and every place wherever we go. If it is very much necessary, then only we should come out of our homes, unless and until it is safe to stay at home only. As we know that government is fighting a lot, but there are some people who are sacrificing a lot to make this country a safe place to live. Our doctors, police officers and other workers who are constantly working to fight against this virus to protect our population from this coronavirus. So, it is our duty as citizens to not to waste their sacrifices, and we should take strong positives that will help us in the future. So, it is very much necessary that we should be patient, because this virus can only spread when we lose our patience. If we lose our patience and we go out of our homes, then this virus has more chances to transmit from one person to many more. So, as a citizen, it's our duty to help the doctors and the policemen and all the workers who are working for our betterment to cooperate with them and not harass them. There are very much news coming out that we are harassing the peoples who are working for us only. It's not right, and I think we should be more mature to handle this. So, I would like to conclude my speech with saying that someone has told it correctly that we can't find God nowadays in temples, church and masjids, because they are wearing white coats, uniforms, and they are working in the hospitals and streets, who will save us from this coronavirus pandemic. So this is my hearty request to everyone. Please be mature, please be patient, because the patience is only key to defeat this virus. And we should also cooperate all the officers and doctors who have fight for us. Let's not waste their sacrifices, and we should cooperate them so that we can defeat this as soon as possible. Thank you. Jai Hind.